how to create an audio tag like Garyvee. Yeah, like this one that you saw. So in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can create with the help of your mobile phone. You don't need any expensive software, you don't need Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, any other video editing software. You just need a Kine Master to make this kind of audio tag. So I hope you find this video valuable, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have any kind of queries, comment down below so that I can reply you in next 24 hours. Okay, then let's get into the Kine Master and I will teach you how to create an audio tag like Gary Vaynerchuk. So hey guys, welcome to the Kine Master. First of all, you need to open the Kine Master. These are the video that I recently recorded and edited. So first of all, let's click on that plus option and choose any one of them, but I think you should go with this one, 16:9 aspect ratio. And here you need to choose the black color first of all, and then convert this into the green color. Now we are ready with that, and go into the layer option, and you can use the handwriting option also and text option also. I can talk about both of them. So first go with the text. Here you can go with the text, and here you can write, let's say my all other name, my main personal branding name is Social Arihant. Let's make this a capital. Here we are done. So what we have to do here, when you going to change the font in the Italian part, you will get this leak script. So here you have to use this one and take it to this and this. And now what you have to do in animation, where you can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this one, but most of the time I prefer this one, Social Arihant, and reduce the time limit. Here we are done. And when it's come to the exit part, here I will go with the no, wipe down, snap down, tack. We are done. So here now you have to add that sound also. So let's take it, extend it and put it in between. And here what you have to do, here you have to use that sound. Let's play without the sound. So here we and we can also make it little bit short. This much is okay. Here we are done. A tuck. So here we have to add the sound. So when you go into this part, you will, if you have a paid version of Kine Master, you can find out there are lots of tags available, so you can find out from here, but I already downloaded some of the sounds. So here we go into the audio, SFX asset and whoosh sound. So here I will go with high. So here we add this sound, and at the end also we add sound. So we are done, and let's increase to the fullest. Let's take it to 200. Let's take it to 200. And now let me show you. Let's disconnect the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We just going to use this. So let's play. Done. And now you have to just export it. Let's cut it from this side, and you just need to export it to the high quality full bitrate. It's just cost you 14 MB. So it's exported. And now what you have to do, let's get back to any other video that I recently edited. So or else we'll go with the new one. So here is the recent recorded video. We are done. So let's say from here you have to add the tag. So let's say this much part. Just take an example. So first of all, you need to mute this part and add the blur. Go into the effects by clicking layer and just make it blur. Very simple. and then go into the media via layer and choose this. And now you have to remove this green part by chroma key, which is very simple. It's done. And let's see, here your audio tag is 100% done. That's it. We are done with our audio tag. I hope you find today's video valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below all your queries, and see you tomorrow with one more amazing exciting video. Till then, bye bye.